Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see paneer salad for weight loss. A quick protein-packed salad that aids weight loss and keeps you full. Ingredients: 100 gram paneer, cottage cheese, high in protein, supports muscle building and keeps you full. 1 cup mixed greens, spinach, lettuce, optional kale. Low in calories, rich in fiber and antioxidants for digestion and weight loss. 1 small cucumber, hydrating and low in calories, aids digestion. 1 small tomato, rich in antioxidants and fiber, promotes fat burning. 1/4 red onion, low calorie, boosts metabolism and digestion. 1 tablespoon olive oil, healthy fats that support satiety and metabolism. 1 tsp lemon juice boosts metabolism and aids digestion. Salt and pepper for taste and digestion. Instructions: prepare paneer. Cut into cubes and saute, optional. Mixed veggies: combine greens, cucumber, tomato and onion. Add paneer, toss with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Serve. Enjoy immediately as a light, filling meal. Why it's great for weight loss? High in protein, low in calories and full of healthy fats. This salad helps control hunger, boost metabolism and support fat burning. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.